Hi, hello, namaste, welcome back to our channel. My dear student, so today topic about pancreas. So before going to discuss about the pancreas, last session we have discussed about the stomach. So today's session about the pancreas. So pancreas is one kind of the organ which is belongs to the digestive system, that is the main point, and pancreatic gland is called as dual organ. My dear students, you must understand here what is the meaning of dual organ. But complete body, if you find only the pancreatic gland is called as dual organ. So why it is called as dual organ? It is done by the two kinds of the functions. The first one is called as exocrine, the second one is called as endocrine. And what is the meaning of exocrine, endocrine? Is a very important topic. So exocrine is nothing but pancreatic gland is secreting of pancreatic juices for the digestion purpose. That is the first thing. That's what it is called as exocrine function. And what is the meaning of endocrine? So pancreatic gland also secreting hormones, such as hormones like insulin, glucagon, somatostatin and pancreatic polypeptide. These are the four kinds of the hormone only secreting from the pancreatic gland. So that's what it is doing two kinds of the function. That's what it is called as dual organ. So one of the multiple question or one of the competitive bit, they will ask what is the organ is called as, what is the gland is called as dual organ. Absolutely the correct answer will be the pancreatic gland. So this is the introduction, and where the location of the pancreatic gland, you can able to see the pancreatic gland will be present just behind the stomach. I can able to see in the diagram. So before going to that, so what is the length of the stomach? Pancreas. So pancreas is shape is leaf like shape. If you like, if you see the shape of the pancreas, it like a leaf, and it's about 15 centimeters. If you're measuring this pancreatic gland, it's about 15 centimeters. So this is about the length of the pancreas. You can see here the diagrammatic presentation, you can able to find out. As I discussed you, so it is also called as dual organ. It is done by the exocrine function, is nothing but digestion juice it is going to secreting, as well as endocrine function is nothing but secreting of hormones. So that's what it is called as dual organ. So this is the exact location. So just it is a look like a leaf like structure, that is a shape you can able to see, and it is behind the stomach. Yeah, that is the exact position of the pancreatic gland. And that also called as, it is also called as accessory organ for the digestive system. So and the very important thing is, what are the parts of the pancreas? The first one will be the head, and next one is neck, and next one is body as well as tail. So tail, body, neck, head. So these are the parts of the pancreatic gland. So you must remember what are the parts of pancreatic gland. Let us see the structure of pancreatic gland. So the same thing, so it is having head and body and neck and tail. So there is the four kinds of the parts is belongs to the pancreatic gland. And what is the blood supply? Arterial blood supply will be the superior mesenteric artery as well as splenic artery. This is the two arteries which is supplying blood supply for the pancreatic gland. And venous supply will be the posterior mesenteric vein as well as splenic vein. So this is the two veins for the venous blood supply for the pancreatic gland, my dear students. And what is the main function? As I discussed with you, the main function is, here the pancreatic gland is having different kinds of the cells. So this kind of the cells is categorized into four kinds of the cells. The first kind of the cell is called as alpha cells. The second kind of the cells is called as beta cells, and third one is the delta, and fourth one is the gamma. So this is the four kinds of the specialized cells is categorized into the four categories: alpha, beta, delta and gamma. Let us see. So the special category of the alpha cells is secreting one kind of the hormone, is nothing but glucagon. What is the main function of the glucagon? It is the increasing level of glucose level in the blood. So whenever in the blood, when the glucose level is decreasing, the alpha cells is activating and glucose level is increasing. By that the balancing of the glucose level is occurred. That is the main function. And second is the alpha beta cells. It is a specialized cell which is present in the pancreatic gland. So beta cells is secreting the insulin. So it's a very important, well known about the insulin. So what is the main function of insulin? Absolutely, it is a decreasing of the glucose in the blood. So whenever in the blood there is a glucose level, there is a sugar levels is going to increase. In that case, this is the beta cells is activated and getting secretion, and it is decreasing of the sugars level, as well as we can call as glucose level also. That is a very important function done by the beta cells. And next one is a delta cells, as well as delta cells is a specialized cells which is secreting of the somatostatin. So what is the main function of your somatostatin? Is nothing but regulating. So regulating of both alpha and beta cells, balancing of the both thing. And last one is the gamma cells, specialized cells which is secreting of the polypeptide, pancreatic polypeptide. So this is the main functions you can able to see for the pancreatic gland. So pancreatic gland is a very important for the theoretically. So if you see, so today's session I have discussed about the what is the meaning of pancreatic gland, and what are the parts of the pancreatic gland, and what is the main function, what are the main specialized cells, and what are the main hormones and enzymes secreting by the pancreatic. So this is a very important topic for the competitive exam purpose of you, as well as theoretical also. My dear students, so please like and share and subscribe and follow. By that you will get my all the videos. So please follow us. I will come with a new video. Until that, stay tuned. Thank you so much, my dear students.